All right, so I apologize. The last video did end up cutting us off. Basically, all I did was I organized by color coding. So I ended up color coding all the terms that had variables in them and all my constants, okay? So now I see that I have more than one term that has a constant, so I'm going to combine like terms on either side before I start moving things from side to side. So I have 4x, this becomes negative 6 is equal to 10x, and that ends up being 21. So I'm going to go back to color coding just to keep ourselves organized. Okay, and then my constants were in purple. Perfect. All right, so now I'm going to get the variable terms on one side, and I'm actually going to subtract the 10x from both sides. And the reason why I'm doing this is so that you see another example of where you have a negative coefficient. So if I were to do 4x minus 10x, we'd get a negative 6x, okay? So next we're going to do is I'm going to add the 6 to both sides, and we have negative 6x is equal to 27. Finally, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 6. The 6 cancel, those become positive, and that becomes x is equal to negative 27 over 6, which we can simplify because 3 fits into 6 twice, and 3 fits into negative 27 negative 9 times. So x is going to end up equaling negative 9 over 2, or if you prefer a fraction, negative 4.5. Typically, it doesn't matter which one you do, just follow with whatever your professor prefers. Either one is fine with me. I will take either answer. Okay? All right, so that wraps up the solving linear equations. After this, we will be doing linear inequalities, solving linear inequalities, introducing linear inequalities, and doing compound linear inequalities. So tune in next time.